So I'm testing a noise that I'm getting from the video switcher going through SDI HDMI mini converter. It also happens with the micros, the micro converters. Right now I'm going my feed to this monitor right here. It's via the mini, and then I'm also feeding looping out SDI into a generic box right here, and that's feeding my HDMI input number 2 on the TV. There's nothing playing right now. I'm gonna play music for you so you can hear. There you go. And the noise is still there. I don't know what's going on. Now I'm gonna switch over to HDMI number 2, and you'll hear the difference. Which is the feed from the generic box. And audio should be coming up. Audio should be there. It's very low. I'm putting it up right now so you can see. I'm putting up the volume. So the reason I had it low is because on the HDMI 1, the problem I'm having, it sounds very distorted. So I'm afraid, you know, those speakers are not very well. But you can hear the noise. There is no, there's no noise right now. You see? Now if I switch over, I'm gonna lower the music, because if I switch over, then it's gonna be an issue. I'm gonna switch over again to HDMI 1, and you'll see the noise is gonna come back. There you go. So, I'm gonna stop the music so you can see the difference.